Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use a piece of material to make a glasses chain. Use one of the elastic and just piece of material, any material available really. This method can. The size we need 3 centimeter in width and 80 centimeter in length. Clearly this material is not long enough, but we can cut it and sew it together to make it long enough. Okay, that's a little piece of material available to me. I had a pre-measured, so you can see each of the line is 3 centimeter width, and the length is 20 centimeter. I just cut in 4 and sew them together to make 80 centimeter. You can use longer or shorter material. All you need to do really just sew them back on. And okay, then we just follow the line and cut it. Follow the line and cut in 4. That's just any material, this piece of material available to me really. If any material available to you, long or short, even different color you can match as well. Okay, that's 1. Then I cut another 3 as well. Okay, I had completed them 4. That's whatever left over. We don't need it. We might use this to make something else in the future. We use them 4 to make this glasses chain. Okay. Okay. What next step you need to do is join them together. That's a back. That's a front. We just use the back, join them together like that. We're going to sew them together, okay? Back to back, I just sew them together. And the one, we do one first, I show you, okay? Okay, I have to sew them back on, then you just connect the rest, always back to back, okay? The front was inside, that's back to back, you're going to sew them, sew that one and next one as well. Okay, I had to join all together, that's all on the back, okay? All back to back, all on the back, all them will be the front. So that's 80 will complete. Next thing, what I can do is, you do that, make 2-way. Like that, is equally each side to match in the middle, like that. After you've done that, then you fold it like that. Okay, so we're going to do that all the way, yeah, do that. Just do that, okay, we're just ironing all of it, ironing through all of it, okay. You know, then your next thing, just fold it in half, fold it in half like that. After you've done some, you might want it clip on. After you ironing it, you want it clip on. So because it's very long and fiddling, you need to clip it on. When you sew it later, it will be a lot easier. Okay, we give it a try. done that, then you clip it on, okay? Clip your edge, then you just carry on. When you're sewing it, it will be a lot easy. I done some, look like that. Keep going. Okay, I have to finish it now. What's next we're going to do is we're going to sew it, okay? Just, you might want to leave leave 2 centimeters. Don't sew it. Leave that bit. Later on we need the glassy chain end to sew it back on, so you can leave it 2 centimeters. Don't sew. And another end as well. Another end as well. Leave 2 centimeters. Don't sew, and the rest of it just sew it. Okay. Okay, now we had to sew the ribbon together, and we also left about 2 centimeters didn't sew, and later on you will see why we didn't sew them all. Okay, now we're going to work on the elastic now. Most of glasses ends have this loop, but not always easily available, so we're going to use hair elastic to make one. Okay, this one is I use hair elastic made earlier. You can see this one expandable as well. I stitch it together really. The idea is you see this bit, we fold it in, then you just put inside there, then afterwards we're going to sew it all together. That is the idea of how we're going to make this glasses chain. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, we're going to cut the elastic around 5 centimeters. You're just measuring 5 centimeters. Like that. Before you do it, you might want to seal the fluffy bit. Use lighter. Just seal it together. They might hold it together to actually hold it a bit better. Anyhow, what we want to do is we want to leave about 1 centimeter on the top for the loop. 1 centimeter for the loop. Rest of it we just use the thread and needle and stitch them together really. It's a bit hard because you got through elastic. The best thing is if you have a harder surface or something, you have to just put the needle end and then push it up, and that will be a lot easy. You just zigzag it, then the stitch it together. No elastic there, you just go in there. Again, your hands might find it hard. Then you just against the table or some harder surface and do it. Then you zigzag it through to the very end. Okay. Okay, that will be done now. And you can see them stick together quite nice and secure. And what you next do, just seal it up. seal it up, just then cut it. That's it. That's another one I made earlier. Now we're going to apply to the cold ends. Look like this. We need to fold it in, and you place this this loop inside. Just leave this bit loop out, the rest will go in. Then what you do, you just sew it in, sew it down, so you cover all these things. It's one type of stitch, quite special, and can easily cover all these things if you want to have a good look. Do that. Do go down and up. It's different than the basic stitch, but quite easy. This way you can look a bit elegant. Okay, after you've done a few of them, you cover it. You connect with main stitch. And what we're going to do, we make it secure. I want you the needle goes through in, basically goes through inside the elastic as well. So it just goes through inside the elastic. Just do a few, because they are so strong, they will hold it, okay? Just do a few stitches will do. We just do a bottom a few stitches, then have work on the top as well, okay? Now what you do, you don't want to take it off. What you can do, you put your needle inside it. You can see your needle was through there. In there you don't have to do the knot again. Well, next thing I want you to do is here, and go inside the loop. Go inside the loop and stitch it. That's where the weight is going to be. That's where your glasses weight are going to hold it. So we want to do quite a few of them. Okay, we do that. And coming back, do the opposite way. In that way, you can see it's where holding the glasses. We secure the bottom, and then we secure the top. So in that way, glasses will be safe. So that will be fine, quite safe now. Then you just close it up. Make a knot, really. And make another knot. I had to finish the two ends. Look like that. Look really pretty. Really handmade and secure. Just piece of material. Very, very easy. We're going to give you a try. That's my sunglasses. We're going to try to put it on. You can see it, okay? You can see it's very easy, and you can make one yourself, really. It's not hard. I hope you found this idea useful. If you like it, please do put a like and subscribe as well. And thank you very much for your support. Bye bye.